Today's Remy Quick Tech Tip TS-032. We've not talked about Hyundai in a while, so let's look at the XL and the Scoop, both for model years 1991 to 1992, and the symptom of intermittent no start. Now, according to two Hyundai Tech Bulletins, number 92-36-001 and number 92-36-002, these vehicles may not start at times, but after waiting a few minutes, will start normally. The indicated cause? Low voltage at the starter S terminal. For the solution, Hyundai recommends installing a repair kit. Part number 91401-24Q00. And the kit consists of a relay and a wiring harness to repair this condition. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter alternator should be a Remy.